Right now, we are outside the Leela Palace Hotel in Chanakyapuri, which is going to house Lionel Messi and the other footballing stars who will be in the capital a little later today. Well, there is a very big media contingent. There are a number of fans who are waiting for the stars to arrive. They will be housed right on top of the hotel in the presidential suite. The rooms there cost anywhere between 3 and 7 lakh rupees. So one floor has completely been booked out for Messi and his members, his friends, his colleagues who will be there during the day today. There are a series of programs in the capital, so several people are going to be clicking their pictures, and they're privileged to be able to stand next to the greatest of all time footballer Lionel Messi and clicking the picture. Some corporates apparently are going to cough up as much as 1 crore rupees to get themselves clicked with Lionel Messi. The others around 10 lakh rupees. So those pictures will happen, the photo shoots will happen right inside the Leela Palace Hotel in Chanakyapuri. It is going to be a 3-phase program. Phase 1 will be the photo shoot, and next the legend is going to be driven to Firoz Shah Kotla at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. There is going to be a celebrity football match. There is which he himself is going to be attending. There will be a football clinic with up to 30 kids, and around 4:20 p.m. there's going to be a stage ceremony with a lot of those kids and several other footballers in and around the city. Well, after that, he will be going to the iconic Purana Killa. And what happens in Purana Killa? Well, one of his sponsors is going to bring together Messi and a collection of Indian sports stars like Nikhat Zareen, like Rohit Sharma, many of the Olympic medal winners for a photo shoot once again with Lionel Messi before he wraps up his 3-day whirlwind tour of India, 4 cities, 3 days. Just 6 months before the Football World Cup, where the World Cup winning captain goes into a title defense. It is a big moment for India. It is a big moment for anyone who is able to see Lionel Messi up close. And Arun Jaitley Stadium, I can tell you, this evening will be packed to the rafters to catch a glimpse of the legend, like what happened in Wankhede last evening. As we have been telling you that the Leela Palace Hotel has been turned into a fortress, but there are several fans who are waiting outside to catch a glimpse of their hero, Lionel Messi. I am joined by a bunch of them in Argentina and Barcelona shirts. First to you, आपने एक एल्बम तैयार किया है मेसी के लिए. हमें बताइए, what is it? What are you trying to show through this album?
This is the complete journey of Lionel Messi from the beginning when he started. From the
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम देशबंधु.
अच्छा,
यस.
कितने साल से कर रहे हैं देशबंधु आप?
नहीं, मैंने अभी हाल ही में शुरू करा है. ज़्यादा पुराने से नहीं कर रहा मैं. अब क्योंकि मैं जानता नहीं था उस टाइम पे, अभी जानने लगा हूँ.
एंड क्या डिपिक्ट कर रहे हैं आप
इसमें कंप्लीट जर्नी है मेसी की, शुरुआत से लेके जन्म से लेके लास्ट तक, अभी इंटर मायामी तक, वो सारी है. आप देख सकते हैं इसमें.
मेसी अगर मिले तो इन पे क्या आप ऑटोग्राफ कराएंगे? व्हाट इज योर?
मैं एक्चुअली गिफ्ट देने के लिए लाया था उनको.
Okay.
This is-
Tell us a little bit about what this moment really means to you.
So we 3 of us have been fans since the last 18 years. We've been watching football together, and we always wanted to go
Journey in Barcelona or
of course.
Argentina?
everything. We always dreamed of watching a match together in Camp Nou, but since that was not possible anymore, he left Barca, and that was a big moment for us. That was a big disappointment. I was almost in tears. We all were. And when he won his first trophy with Argentina, we were on the call together at I think 5:30 in the morning. All of us were crying, and I think it was one of the best moments for us. That was the first trophy, and then everything has come through for him, and now he's here. It is a big moment for us. We never thought we'll see this day. मतलब इससे बड़ा मोमेंट हमारे लिए नहीं हो सकता
And
था.
are you going to be going all the way to the Arun Jaitley?
Yes,
Of course. We
And
thought
it's-
that we'll get a glimpse
Yes,
of
we
him
thought
here,
we'll-
but
we'll
we
come
knew it
here
wouldn't be
and-
possible
This is
because
a
of
fortress.
everything.
Yes.
But yeah,
How
why
much
not try?
How much have you got your tickets for?
We spent 16,000. 16,000 each.
16,000 per
per
ticket
ticket.
you've got.
Yes.
That's an expensive ticket. I didn't.
We
But
wanted-
that's nothing
we
for
wanted the
Messi.
best view.
That's
We wanted
nothing
the
for
best
Messi. That's the best view we
Tell
have
me,
to have.
have you ever bought an expensive ticket like this for any other sports event in India?
No. This is it.
I
This
don't
is
think
this.
anything else is worth this much.
This is not even close to anything
It's-
else.
We
a
would have
childhood dream.
paid anything for this.
18 years
honestly.
for this, it means a lot to
It's
us.
worth 16,000 is nothing.
Lots of tears, lots of joy. We have seen his journey through ups and downs.
He has given us moments of happiness for the last 15, 18 years. So
The man
Yes.
is magic.
Like, what I
Ankara
understand,
Messi.
You're also football fans. If Cristiano Ronaldo was here, would you have been lining up?
probably, we would have
but
come
he's
to
a great
see him,
player.
but
But our
not
favorite
like
is
this.
Messi. He's a
Not
great
like this.
player.
Not this
Not-
much passion for him, but we respect him.
We
He's a
respect
great
him
player.
and we would have gone
He's
to
a
see
goat of the generation, but Messi is
Messi is
unreal.
something
There is
else.
no one like Lionel Messi.
Yeah, we welcome him like obviously like we do, but
He's a
then
great, of
he's a
course.
great player. But then our
Messi
favorite
is-
is Messi.
Messi
So
says
Okay, what about Messi really stands out for you?
Messi had a very rare disease during his childhood. He had not much height, which was eligible for playing football. He was taking day-to-day injections, and that's how he started his journey in football. So it's very inspiring for us. If you have dedication, you have to go through any path. So that's how he inspires us.
Messi's journey in India is all about role modeling, is about bringing the top star in football to show what he's like and inspire a generation. Do you think Indian football is at a stage that they can be inspired?
Of course. See, talent is everywhere. You just need to basically pick it out. And seeing this, that so many people are lining up for Messi, there are lakhs of people coming to the stadium just to see Messi. So there is passion for the sport. So we can encourage this if there is more development, right?
A lot of
So
investment is needed in
I
terms of
think the government
infrastructure.
will look into it, that there is so much passion for the sport, so much passion for a single person. So of course, they can work on it.
You know,
And maybe
India.
we can have a Messi of our own someday.
Absolutely, you know, but Indian fans often have this, you know, allegation about them that they don't like the sport, they like stars. When it comes to any sport, they like stars and not the sport itself. Would you like to answer that? What would you say?
I think that is very subjective actually, because we assess players. We watch football apart from Messi as well, for example, and we watch cricket apart from Kohli as well. We like them as players, not as celebrities, as players and idols, because as he said, Messi came through a lot, Kohli has come through a lot. But then again, it's all about sports. It's nothing about a player. Football is a team sport, cricket is a team sport, everything is a team sport. So I genuinely think that it should be a team sport.
The
like
thing is,
rather
every
than a
sport
player.
needs a face. Football has Messi, cricket has Virat Kohli. So we need any face to get inspired from. So Messi is that face, yeah.
Well, Mumbai also gave that moment of meeting of the faces, the two GOATs, the greatest of all times in cricket, Sachin Tendulkar and Lionel Messi, did have a shirt and a ball exchange last night. There will be magic moments in Delhi as well. Keep watching.